Hi everyone, this is Aditya Bhardwaj, Marketing Manager of Portage College at Campbell College, Edmonton, Alberta, and I'm coming to an education fair to be organized by Canam consultants in the month of September. All the venue and timing details will be mentioned in the caption, and this will be the right opportunity for you to meet me in person and get your profile assessed. And we are open for January 24 intake, and we are delivering business, administrative, and teaching programs. So if you're looking to study in Canada in January intake, you can directly meet me in the fairs and looking forward to meet you all. Thank you so much.